Soya chunks, 1 bowl. Onion, garlic, potato, chilies, soya chunks soaking in water, 10 o'clock minutes. Oil refined 2 spoons. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Bay leaf, 1 piece. Onion crushed. Garlic chopped. Green chilies chopped. Tomato sauce, 1 spoon. Tomato sauce, mix it up. Potatoes sliced. Sliced potatoes, mix it up. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. White salt, 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, ½ teaspoon. Tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon. Masala gravy, mix it up. Soya chunks soaked. Soya chunks, mix it up. Hot water, 1 glass. 5-minute test over. Green coriander. 5 minutes after. Green coriander, mix it up. Soya curry is ready. Thanks for watching.